So on the 2 p.m. to on the 10 a.m. sorry, the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle, we're expecting it to seek higher and drop lower into this weekly imbalance just over here. And then we will get a reaction to the upside to begin our longs. So there is 2 trades possible today. We've got the shorts and we've got the longs. Just going to wait for confirmation. So this is not a flip yet. We've just opened. We're only 3 minutes in. I'm only taking the trade until we go up here. Retest and reject. This is the only trade based off our 4-hour candle. I'm going to let it run. So actually this might not be not that much of a big deal, just 300 points. It's really keen to drop. If we don't get a retest, we don't take the shorts, we'll end up going for the longs at the bounce. So we will definitely bounce over here. That is a weekly imbalance, or others would like to refer it as a fair value gap, whatever that means. And up we go. So 2 trades. If we get here, reject, we'll come down. If we don't get the trade, we'll take the longs on the way back up. Make sense? It has been somewhat flat for the rest of the day. This is Asia and London. There's the news candle. We'll definitely try and get the news candle. So I don't know just yet if we will confirm a short bias. Does anybody have an account that I can trade? I've got nothing to trade. I'm done for the day during Asia. Anyone? Did they allow that? If they allow it. What's the difference you see, Stephen? Yeah, like I said, if we don't get the retest here and rejection, so this is a 4-hour imbalance just below the open range, we definitely might get a retest and back down. If we miss the shorts, we will catch these longs as this comes down and bounces. So why it will bounce there, let me show you. There you go. Swing low here, massive orders, jumped the markets about 200 points. If you guys remember that, jumped over the weekend, 400 points, sorry. It's also a weekly imbalance. What, you want to catch it on the way back up? Is that what you're saying? Oh, you're seeing longs, are you? Okay. Is that what you're saying? That's fine. There is a potential, but being right there next to this key level that it's been trying to take, if we look at the weekly as well, Have a look at the weekly. So Monday and Tuesday have put in the weekly candle low. We get a big wick taken out last week's low. We're going to flip up to the upside for the remainder of the month. Yeah. You're not wrong and you're not right. I'm not wrong and I'm not right. So for the time being, we are bearish. Setup is out. Welcome to all the new members. I'm not going to handle gold. Is Arman here? Armano? Yeah, gold is, oh, I don't know. Yeah, gold is bullish for now. We've rejected this owner. I think we're going to continue lower. We will continue lower because I'd have to look at gold properly. Arman, are you here? Hey, buddy. How are you?
Yes, sir.
What are you seeing on gold? Anything? Pre-market?
No,
Post-market?
no. I mean, just waiting as of now.
Yeah, it needs a bit of clarity. It's pretty much on a shelf right now. Some sort of, it's not dropping, it's not increasing. We did break and close above the previous day close. I need an account. What should I do? Everything's done. Let's get some more Traderfy accounts.
I was about to say Traderfy.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Straight to funded. Come on before the setup. Gonna have it on the side screen. I've got some growth accounts. Okay. It's a pass in one day, isn't it? Oh, might do micros. This is the one I'm using. It's called FVG/imbalance zones by JP7FX. There's many of them. You're not just going to come right to the entry. Oh. 20 points. That's fine. It'll come back. Just a retracement. You can pass growth accounts in one day, yeah? Aman?
Yeah,
Oh,
I believe so.
Mhm.
I usually just use the straight to sim though, so I'm not 100% sure.
I've got one of those. Straight to funded. We're going to get a reaction here and bounce right now. Who can tell me why? Why did all of this? So we opened with a tiny gap there for this candle. Came back to fill it. It's going to come back up through. We are going to get our entry. Frank Antica. This is called.
I sent out a gold setup. I was waiting for it to come to entry.
Nice. This one's called HDF Candles by Fadi. Are you looking at longs, Aman?
Shorts.
Shorts.
Still high time frame or an hourly highs and 4-hour highs. Still in a downtrend as
Yeah,
well.
I think we haven't. I haven't looked at it. I'll leave gold to you. You're the gold specialist. All right. Worst case scenario is our trade. Same TP3. No time to send out the TPs there. We're not looking to come back at this stage. Right here, stop loss above the 4-hour open price, back down to TP3. All right, trade is in, on the way down. Let's go. NQ shorts are in. If you take profit points, so we're only improvising. Never usually do this, but because it came to our original entry, still in the same bias, but it came really close and didn't trigger it. Everybody in? This is a 1 to 6 risk to reward, a lot higher than what we usually do. We usually do 1 to 5, but this is a massive, massive trade. A lot of volatility too. This is only an eval, so I don't mind oversizing here. I like to get evaluations done really quickly. This is the 1 minute chart that I was using. So we already got our SFL, it seems. Opened, went higher, flipped, retested multiple times, rejected. Still bearish, I'm not going to change bias. If it was to go higher, then we go back to our original trade. Not to worry. Back to our original trade. Right there. So this time I'm going to use micros because that was a nasty one. Shouldn't have used micro minis. Came back to the original setup. So that one is in. How's your gold trade going? Aman?
Yes, sir.
Still going? What's the gold trade?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for entry.
Okay, sweet. So you're waiting for a rejection and a drop down?
Yes, sir. Have the 4-hour open.
So there's entry again if you missed it. Nice push, momentum coming in. Everybody got it? We in? Yeah, brother. It's on the screen. Shorts again. And the alert as well. And verbal. There's no reason to miss the trade. TP1 is 95 points. You should be well into profits.
Oh, this is dancing around.
Gold. uncertain. I think it's waiting for indexes to show something. What we tend to find is indexes, they trigger financial decisions that impact gold in some way or another. So whenever you have uncertain markets on the Nasdaq, ES, and the Dow Jones, which is YM, gold will tend to push up. So investors take their money out of stocks and they put it into gold, driving the price up. 60-point push, that was a good one. Need to see it clear this imbalance. Not much else I did. Really not seeing longs.
Gold is in.
Gold shorts, yeah?
Yes.
Sweet. Can you not share your screen?
Not at the same time. I'm not sure why. It's okay though.
That's right. Yeah, equal highs, relative equal highs. We're back into profits. Let's go, team. It's okay. You'll end up losing it anyway. Ashton. How many do you have? How many scale accounts do you have? 2 evals. Any fundeds? You're at ground zero. What does that mean? Okay. What happened to your Traderfy ones? You just get straight to funded if you're gonna. Yeah, the Lightning is straight to funded. If you're maxed out Lightning accounts on Traderfy, straight to funded. Yeah, I think Parker had the same issue. Doha. He had the same issue. Just a matter of notification settings, I think. How we doing, guys? Should be well into profits. We're almost. There you go. For all the haters that said it's long. Let's say not a bad 70 points. Good trade. TP1 should have been the 4-hour candle price, but regardless. We're failing to make new highs. We're getting a lot of resistance up here. Failed to break this high. Failed to break this high. I don't. Either way, great trade. Rinse and repeat. Back to entry. Down to the 4-hour. Yeah, I know. Mind you, TP1 is not just.
Gold is back to entry. If anyone missed it.
It's 100 points TP1. It's all right. We'll come back through it. For all the new people, have you seen a 100-point take profit one? All seriousness, this is normal. Come on, 1 point. There you go, TP1. Beautiful. What is TP1 at? 100 points. Or 98 points.